Vietnam is quickly becoming one of Asia's fastest-growing technology hubs, attracting thousands of foreign investors. With over 64 million internet users and a booming software market, establishing an IT and software publishing company here is a golden opportunity. The country offers a young, highly skilled workforce and strong government support for high-tech investment, making it a dynamic market for software solutions, cloud services, and e-commerce platforms. Beyond its dynamic market, Vietnam provides generous tax incentives to encourage IT and software development businesses. Software and software services may be exempt from value-added tax, VAT, if they meet the conditions prescribed by law, which significantly reduces operating costs. In addition, companies engaged in software production can benefit from corporate income tax incentives, including a preferential tax rate of 10% for up to 15 years, a full tax exemption for the first 4 years, and a 50% reduction for the following 9 years. These policies make Vietnam one of the most cost-effective and investor-friendly destinations for IT and software companies in Asia. Before you begin, you need to understand the core requirements. First, you must determine your business scope. Your registered business lines must include software implementation services, software production services, information technology services, and systems and software consulting services under the official VSIC codes. Choosing the right codes is essential as it defines what activities your company can legally carry out. Next, you must address capital requirements. Vietnam does not impose a universal minimum, but authorities expect your declared capital to be realistic and match your business model. For software publishing companies, typical charter capital ranges from $10,000 to $200,000 United States dollars, depending on your scale. Declaring too little can lead to rejection. Finally, every IT company must have a registered head office in Vietnam, which must be a legal business address, not a residential apartment. LTS Law provides DOF-compliant virtual offices in Ho Chi Minh City, making the setup faster and fully legal. The company registration process in Vietnam consists of 3 main steps. Step 1 is to obtain the Investment Registration Certificate, or IRC, which certifies that you, as the investor, are permitted to invest and establish a company in Vietnam. This process typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once the IRC is issued, the next step is to apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, or ERC. This functions similarly to a certificate of incorporation and usually takes 1 week to obtain. After receiving the ERC, you will need to complete several post-licensing tasks, including making the company seal, completing initial tax registration, and opening a business bank account. To kickstart the process, LTS Law will send you an information sheet listing all the necessary details you need to provide. Based on this information, our legal team will complete all the application forms and documents for submission. Once the drafts are ready, you'll print and sign them. Then, send us the signed hard copies along with your supporting documents. From there, LTS Law will take care of submitting your application and following up with the licensing authorities. By setting up your IT company correctly, you gain the ability to sign contracts, hire staff, and build credibility. At LTS Law, we guide IT investors through every step of company formation, providing a one-stop solution that ensures full compliance and speed. With over a decade of experience assisting more than 1,000 foreign investors, we turn legal complexity into business clarity. Don't let legal uncertainty hold back your vision. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn to schedule your free consultation. Your software publishing company will be set up legally, smoothly, and ready to grow in one of Asia's most dynamic tech markets.